Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another tutorial. This is the second look of our purple makeup series. If you want to watch our previous series, click right over here. So without any further ado, let's get onto the video.
As you can see, I've already done my brows and my other eye, and now I am just packing a violet shade onto my lid. Now I am taking this purple shade and blending it above the violet in my crease. Now I am taking this pink shade and applying it on the edges of the purple to further diffuse it. Now I am gonna apply this yellow shade on top of the pink one and blend it out to create a really nice blend to the look. Now I am using circular motions to blend out the harsh edges. As all of the pink shade was blended into the yellow, so I am gonna take more of the pink shade and then pack it in my crease and then blend it again. That's how you do it, just keep packing the color and then blend it. Using a gel liner, now I am creating a little bit dramatic wing. Just to add some sparkle to this look, now I am applying a glitter liner on top of my wing. After applying this glitter liner, I did my full face like I usually do. Now I am applying a purple cream liner in my waterline and then I will smoke out my lower lash line like I did on my lid. Now I am applying a nude pink lip liner and after that I will apply a pink liquid lipstick. This is the final look guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and if you did, please don't forget to leave a like, comment what else you would like to see, share with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be the first one to watch our video. And if you want to watch our last video, click right over here. And a huge shout out to Fatima for watching our videos. If you want to get a shout out in our next video, use hashtag AnB Fam in your comments. It would mean a lot.